Hey everybody, it's Charlie with Russ Darrow, Waukesha here again. Today I wanted to give you guys some financing tips, seeing that I am also a finance manager here. And the first thing is that we work with over 20 different lenders here at Russ Darrow, Waukesha, and the Russ Darrow Group in general. So a lot of times some people might think that they need to get in a pre-approval, make sure that they're approved with their bank before coming in, but we can handle everything here A to Z, front to back entirely. And a lot of times we can also get the best possible rate because we work with 20 different lenders, and we work with lenders across the spectrum. It's going to be prime lenders, middle of the road lenders, and then people that are lenders that work with people that are still developing their credit. Things that are going to help your chances of getting approved would be cash down, number one. Also, having a trade-in that is either entirely paid off or has positive equity is definitely going to help your situation. Although we do help people get out of negative equity situations as well, and you can still get approved if you have a vehicle that you'd like to trade in that you know has negative equity. Otherwise, if you know you're going to be financing a car within the next few months here, just save up for cash down, build your credit, don't take on any new debt that you know that you're not going to be able to make payments on, and that's going to give you your best possible chance at approvals here. Otherwise, if you'd like to set up an appointment with us here, contact us, 262-444-5445. You can ask for sales or finance, and we can help you out. Otherwise, take care, happy July, and we'll see you guys soon.